This is Alcolin's self-fusing silicone tape, a perfect solution for quick repairs. So whether you're sealing, wrapping, repairing or insulating, it forms a strong water and airtight seal, up to 8,000 volts insulation, and is heat resistant up to 260 degrees Celsius. This tape is also UV resistant, so it'll last outdoors for years. The tape stretches up to 3 times the original length, and once wrapped over itself, immediately starts to fuse, giving you the best possible seal. Now because it's not an adhesive tape, you can also apply it in wet conditions, as long as the surface is not oily. And as a temporary fix, it leaves no residue to clean off. It is available in 3-meter rolls and a range of colors. A very handy, quick repair tape to keep in your car and around the house. Now this is just one of the silicone tapes available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.